Hey y'all, and welcome. I'm Nikki, and guess what? I have another something for you just in the nick of time. So today these are very simple ingredients that you see here that we're going to be preparing. And what is it? It's Bahamian Tuna Salad. So we've got albacore tuna, about 2 tins of those, some mayonnaise, fresh lime, you see the scotch bonnet, sea salt, and of course the onions and bell peppers. So in this bowl I have some uh, onions and bell peppers along with the albacore tuna, and of course I'm going to be adding the mayonnaise, and we're going to be adding that a little at a time because you want to adjust as you go ahead and you prepare, you mix this salad. And it's very simple ingredients to put this all together. So we're just going to add a little bit of salt, and then we're just going to go ahead and mix this tuna salad. Now I know you're wondering, where's the relish or the mustard and the eggs and the celery? Traditionally, Bahamians do not include those in tuna salad. It's a very simple recipe that we do, and of course we like spice, so for us we keep it super simple and tasty at the same time. So as you mix this, you can go ahead and you can adjust your seasoning and how you like it. If you don't want too much mayonnaise, guess what? You don't have to put too much mayonnaise, but that lime juice is very necessary. Okay, it just adds to the taste of it, it brings it out, it brightens it up, and all of that stuff. So you can go ahead and you can just add your salt. Now if you do not have sea salt, regular table salt will do, but for me personally, I like the sea salt because it just adds that little something to the tuna salad. And we're just going to continue to mix this and adjust our seasonings as we go. You want to taste as you go. Now, of course, don't taste from the spoon you're mixing with now. That's not sanitary, okay? So you see me here adding a little bit more lime juice. And with the lime juice, it's just going to go ahead and add that extra tang to it that you want. That that little something to get those glands flowing. Oh yeah, I want to tell you, when you put this together, who you're going to prepare it for, let them taste it and they're good to go. Now if you cannot take acid, then this ain't the salad for you. So citric acid is a part of this. So if you want to use lemon, if you have that on hand, you can go ahead. Of course it gives it a different flavor profile altogether, but it's still a good salad. So what you see me add, there's just a little bit more mayonnaise after I added the lime juice, and I'm just going to mix this. And I wanted to get to a certain kind of consistency, nothing too harsh, but we just want to bring this all together. So we're going to continue to mix this until it gets exactly where we want it to get. Okay, so continue to do that, and then you're going to be good with that. So here it is. I'm mixing it, and it's kind of where I want it to be, but not quite, because we haven't added our spice to it. So we're going to get to that spicy part. And so there you see me. I didn't do the scotch bonnet, but of course I added my pepper sauce, which contains scotch bonnet. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to serve this up. Now usually you could serve this up with white or yellow grits, some polenta. You could even have this on a side of a green salad with your spring mix, or just have it with some plain old crackers. Very simple salad that you can have as a light meal or a light lunch throughout the day. Try it, or even as a sandwich. And there it is. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe.